morning. Now, the Union Health Ministry has said that states have not provided any information on the deaths of COVID patients in hospitals due to a lack of medical oxygen. With the number of deaths due to oxygen shortage making headlines during the second wave of coronavirus, not just here in Delhi but really all over the country, the matter has drawn sharp criticism from the opposition as well as the medical fraternity. Now, what did the government say? The government has said that due to this unprecedented surge in demand for medical oxygen, the demand in the country peaked to around 9,000 metric tons. The government says that the active caseload of states and union territories primarily determined the allocation of oxygen. There were factors such as doubling rate and medical infrastructure that were given consideration while deciding the oxygen allocation, and it was kept dynamic as per the changing pandemic load. Now, before we get you the sharp reactions that are coming in, let's first listen in to the Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia on the floor of the Parliament saying that no deaths were caused in India due to a shortage of oxygen. Listen in.
और प्रधानमंत्री जी ने बार बार कहा मृत्यु रजिस्टर करिए, छुपाने का कोई कारण ही नहीं है। स्टेट करता है, उसको ही रजिस्ट्रेशन करना होता है, उसको डालना होता है। यहाँ तो किसी ने मना नहीं किया है। भारत सरकार आंकड़ा छुपा रही है। भारत सरकार जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट आंकड़ा भेजती है उसको कंपाइल करके पब्लिश करती है। भारत सरकार का काम होता है उसको पब्लिश करने का, उसके अलावा हमारा कोई काम नहीं होता है।
Meanwhile, there have been sharp reactions that have been coming in from the medical fraternity as well as the opposition. Sanjay Raut of the Shiv Sena has in fact come out and said that there should be a probe that should be ordered into what the government has said on the floor of the Parliament. The Delhi Health Minister has also slammed the centre, saying that no data was ever sought.
अब उसका पर हम क्या, मेरी तो बोलती बंद हो गई। जब मैंने सुना और ये पढ़ा तो जिसके परिवार के लोग ऑक्सीजन के अभाव से उनकी मृत्यु हो गई, उनके ऊपर क्या बीती हुई ये बात सुनकर मैं तो कहूंगा पूरे देश में ऑक्सीजन के अभाव से, ऑक्सीजन की शॉर्टेज से, ऑक्सीजन न मिलने से 2 लोग मर गए। उनके परिजनों ने सरकार के ऊपर मुकदमा दायर करना चाहिए कि झूठ बोल रहे।
देखिएगा अभी थोड़े दिनों बाद ये भी कह देंगे कि कोरोना तो आया ही नहीं, पेंडेमिक तो था ही नहीं। अगर ऑक्सीजन की कमी नहीं थी, ऑक्सीजन से डेथ नहीं हुई, तो बार बार हर रोज दिल्ली के अंदर ही हाई कोर्ट में एक के बाद एक हॉस्पिटल जा रहे थे, रोज कह रहे थे कि भाई लोग ऑक्सीजन की कमी है, ऑक्सीजन की कमी से लोग डेथ हो रही है। यहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन खत्म हो गई, इसकी वजह से देखो इतने लोगों की मृत्यु हुई। ये बिल्कुल असत्य है, गलत बात है। दिल्ली के अंदर हमने कमेटी बनाई थी, ऑक्सीजन के लिए ऑडिट कमेटी बनाई थी। अगर वो कमेटी होती तो बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट डेटा आ जाता आपके सामने कि कितने लोगों की डेथ हुई। सरकार उसको कंपनसेशन भी दे देती, क्योंकि केंद्र सरकार ने एलजी साहब के थ्रू उसको भंग करा दिया, जिस वजह से आपको एग्जैक्ट डेटा नहीं मिल पाया।
Let's go right across to Sukirti joining us with the very latest. Sukirti, sharp criticism coming in there from the Delhi Health Minister. He says that a committee was in fact formed, but it was the centre that didn't allow the committee to submit a report. What more can you tell us?
Well, yes, Divya. So the centre as well as the Delhi government have been at loggerheads throughout the oxygen crisis. That is something that we witnessed even during all the Delhi High Court proceedings on the oxygen issue. When all the hospitals across Delhi were approaching the court saying that we need more oxygen, the centre kept saying and blaming the Delhi government for mismanagement of oxygen. And they said that we are supplying enough. It is the Delhi government which is unable to manage the situation. Now, what the Health Minister of Delhi, Mr. Satyendra Jain, is pointing out today, that while the centre is blaming the state government for not giving sufficient data, for not providing details of how many people died due to oxygen shortage, Mr. Jain is saying that the fault lies with the centre because Delhi government wanted to create an audit committee that would have probed the entire issue of oxygen shortage, why it happened, how many people died, and also a very important issue of compensation to all these families, at least a minimum amount of 5 lakh rupees. That is the committee they wanted to set up, but the Lieutenant Governor said that central government has already made a committee. We do not need an extra committee in Delhi, and as a result of that, neither have the families got compensation, nor do we have any data on the number of people who died. So again, at this point, continues to be a blame game between the centre as well as the state government. But if you speak to any doctor at this point of time, including the Batra hospital where we were at today earlier, we spoke to the director and he also pointed out this. He said that this should go beyond the politics of center versus state. Oxygen crisis affected every individual in India. It is a crisis that cannot be denied, and till this day, it continues to sadden them and drive them into guilt that they could not save one of their own doctors also, who was among the 12 who died at Batra Hospital. So blame game continues, but families and hospitals continue to suffer still.